morning guys. I hope you have watched my previous videos. So we are going to discuss a new topic today, that is types of chemical reaction. I hope you have watched my previous videos because I have told lot about chemical reaction. So now the types of chemical reaction we are going to discuss. So the first reactions come is direct combination or synthesis reaction. I will explain you all the points later, but first let me tell you about all four types of reaction. So first, direct combination or synthesis reaction. Second is decomposition reaction. Third is displacement or substitution reaction. And the last is double decomposition reaction. So now I am going to tell you about all these four types of reaction with their suitable examples. So guys, this is the first reaction, direct combination reaction. Direct combination reaction is in which two or more elements or compounds react to form one new compound. See, these are the keywords. Two or more elements or compounds means two elements or compounds should be there which react to form one new compound. For example, see, first we are taking A and B as a element, or we can take a compound. A plus B, two compounds or two elements. When they react together, they form AB as a one compound, one new compound C. Now for example, 2H2 gas plus O2 gas, hydrogen plus oxygen, when they react, they form a simple compound, that is water in liquid state. So hereby guys, this first example is complete. So you please take care that when two or more elements or compounds react, they to form one new compound. This is an example of direct combination reaction. 2H2 plus O2 will give you water. So hereby guys, the second example is decomposition reaction. So a decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a chemical compound decomposes into two or more similar substances. See, direct combination was that two or more compounds react together to form a new compound. But in decomposition reaction, a simple compound decomposes or breaks into two or more compounds. See, a compound AB, when it, see, what is the sign? Heat. When it is heated, so it decomposes into A and B, into two or more substances. Now for example, calcium carbonate, CaCO3, when it is heated, it gives you CaO, calcium oxide, and CO2, carbon dioxide. So hereby, one compound decomposes into two or more compounds. So this is the decomposition reaction. Now guys, I am going to tell you the third type of reaction, that is displacement reaction. So guys, third example is displacement reaction. Displacement reaction is a reaction in which an element or radical has replaced another element in a compound. May I repeat? Listen this very carefully. It's an important type of reaction. A reaction in which an element or radical has replaced another element in a compound. For example, take it A is reacting with a compound BC. So when it reacts, so A reacts with A reacts with C and replace B, and B gets alone. See, when single A is reacting with a compound BC, so it has more power to react with C, so they form a compound AC, and B remains alone, so it is replaced by A and it becomes single. So see, when element and a compound react, they form a new compound plus a displaced element. Now may I take you the example to make it clear. It will magnesium, see, let it be A, when react with copper sulfate, a compound BC, so the Mg react with sulfate SO4 and make MgSO4, and copper remains alone, so it gets displaced and it becomes a single element. So magnesium will react with copper sulfate, so magnesium reacts with sulfate to form magnesium sulfate, and the copper gets displaced by magnesium. Guys, remember this also, that magnesium cannot be react with copper because magnesium is positive and copper is also positive radical. So positive and positive cannot react anyway. Always remember that positive cannot be form a compound. It should be one positive and one negative. Sulfate is negative, so that's why magnesium react with sulfate. It can react with copper, but it cannot react with copper because copper is positive and magnesium is also positive. So now the last example is double decomposition reaction. So guys, the last example is double decomposition reaction. A reaction in which two reactants or both decompose to form new substance by exchanging their radicals. See, this is a very tricky example, but see, A plus B minus AB is a compound, but A is positive, B is negative to form a compound, plus CD, a compound, C is positive, B is negative. So now when they react, so this A react with, not with C but with D, because D is negative and A is positive, so the new compound will be AD, and B is negative, C is positive, so they both react. If they form a compound BC or CB, you can write which way you can. So this, the important thing to be noted is that a positive should always react with negative. It cannot be that A, B and CD when they are reacting, so A forms a compound with C. No, because both are positive, so they will react. Now let's take example AgNO3, silver nitrate. Ag is positive, nitrate is negative. KCl, potassium chloride. K is positive, chloride is negative. So Ag will react with Cl. AgCl, because Ag is positive and Cl is negative, so it forms silver chloride, and K is positive, NO3 is negative, so KNO3, potassium nitrate. So hereby we have completed today's class. Now we will meet us tomorrow, and I am going to discuss some more examples related to all these types of reaction. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.